Welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Beach Buggy Racing game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First, you will need to open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, just tap on the search button and now type in Beach Buggy Racing to begin your search. Once you find the Beach Buggy Racing game, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button to begin the download and installation of the Beach Buggy Racing game on your device. Once the installation is completed, you can tap on the play button and now this will open up the game on your device right away. First, you will need to complete the basic tutorials, and once you have completed them, you will gain access to your main menu. And now you can start enjoying the game on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Beach Buggy Racing game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.